Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. Head checks should be done. A. Only when changing lanes. B. Only when turning. C. Frequently as a part of your normal routine. D. Infrequently, because they take your eyes off the road ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 2. Your knees should be A. Against the handlebars. B. Straightened and wide. C. Against the gas tank. D. Wherever you prefer. The correct answer is C. Question 3. With a properly adjusted mirror, you can see A. Only the lane beside you. B. Only the lane behind you. C. The lane behind you and part of the lane next to you. D. Everything behind and to the side of your motorcycle. The correct answer is C. Question 4. On a paved, two-lane road, sand and gravel are most likely to collect. A. In the left wheel track. B. Near the center of the road. C. Near the sides of the road. D. In the center of each lane. The correct answer is C. Question 5. Riding at night. A. Is discouraged. B. Is made safer by wearing reflective clothing. C. Is not safe because other drivers cannot see your turn signals. D. Should only be done in the city. The correct answer is B. Question 6. If a road is wet, it will usually be most slippery. A. On the outer edges of the lanes. B. In the left wheel tracks. C. In the right wheel tracks. D. In the center portion of each lane. The correct answer is D. Question 7. To discourage other drivers from sharing your lane, it is usually best to A. Ride in the left portion of your lane. B. Ride in the center portion of your lane. C. Ride next to another vehicle. D. Ride in the right portion of your lane. The correct answer is B. Question 8. Most motorcycle car crashes. A. Occur because a driver pulls into a motorcyclist's path. B. Result in minor injuries. C. Occur because a motorcyclist turns left in front of a car. D. Occur because of speeding. The correct answer is A. Question 9. The engine cutoff switch is usually located A. Near the clutch. B. On the left handlebar. C. Near the right hand grip. D. On the top of the gas tank. The correct answer is C. Question 10. Before every ride, you should A. Make sure your bike's brake lights work properly. B. Make sure the paint on the bike is not peeling. C. Make sure your bike is completely clean. D. Make sure you can see your helmet in your mirrors. The correct answer is A. Question 11. Alcohol first affects your A. Vision, B. Speech, C. Judgment, D. Balance. The correct answer is C. Question 12. This sign means A. No U-turn, B. No turning, C. No left turn, D. No right turn. The correct answer is A. Question 13. If riding a motorcycle on a long trip, you should stop to rest at least A. Every 15 minutes, B. Every 45 minutes, C. Every 2 hours, D. Every 4 hours. The correct answer is C. Question 14. Of the following, which provides the most eye and face protection while riding? A. Goggles, B. A windshield, C. A face shield, D. Sunglasses. The correct answer is C. Question 15. Which types of brakes do most motorcycles have? A. Front and emergency, B. Rear and emergency, C. Front and rear, D. Only a front brake. The correct answer is C. Question 16. The ability to think clearly and ride safely is affected by as little as A. 1 drink, B. 6 drinks, C. 3 drinks, D. 2 drinks. The correct answer is A. Question 17. When riding in a curve, one safe option is to A. Begin in the center of the lane and stay there throughout the curve. B. Begin on the right side of the lane and stay there throughout the curve. C. Not lean with the curve. D. Begin on the left side of the lane and stay there throughout the curve. The correct answer is A. Question 18. Not turning off your turn signal after completing a turn or lane change will most likely A. Encourage other drivers to pull into your path, B. Keep others from noticing your brake light, C. Reduce your chances of a crash because other drivers will stay clear of your motorcycle, D. Encourage others to follow you too closely. The correct answer is A. Question 19. When riding at night, you should A. Always ride in the center lane, B. Ride with your emergency flashers on, C. Wear reflective clothing, D. Closely follow the vehicle ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 20. If you are drinking alcohol and plan to ride later, you should A. Ride more slowly than usual. B. Allow at least an hour for each drink to leave your system before riding. C. Exercise or dance to wear the drinks off. D. Drink hot coffee to become more alert. The correct answer is B.